Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 400 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, we're gonna swipe down from the top right side of the screen, which will bring down our toggles, and here you will find hotspot toggle. If you don't, you can also swipe down in this area, and this will extend the list of visible toggles. Now when you see your hotspot first time, you want to hold it, as this will quickly take you to the settings. Now the reason for wanting to access settings is because we do have a randomly generated password. I recommend getting rid of it, as it is pretty bad, and then setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length, as it's stated right here. Click on OK to save that, close it up, and then find the toggle once more. This time around, just tap on it to enable it, and now on you can connect to your hotspot with other devices. Now once you're done using it, you can find this toggle once again, tap on it once more to turn it off, as it will consume more of your phone's battery when you're not using it, so there is really no reason for it to be running in the background. Now that being said, hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.